We have a target of close to 5 million people in the risk category of 50 years and above, together with those having underlying health conditions. If you take into considerations all other categories such as medical people, security, teachers, social worker, the high-risk groups, the number might grow up to 21 million. However, less than 10% have shown up for the vaccination ever since the exercise started a month ago. His Excellency the President made it very clear that we have to vaccinate up to 80% of the risk categories before opening up fully as a country. This shows that there is still a lot of work for us all to be done. The job of mobilizing and educating the people about vaccination should not be left alone to government. All private sector players, including artists, religious leaders, all the different categories, they need to come out now and use their spaces, calling upon the public to participate fully in the vaccination exercise. There has been a lot of misinformation about the COVID-19 vaccine. This could explain the low turnout at most of the vaccination centers. We have been assured by the Ministry of Health and scientists that the vaccine is safe. We have seen His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda, the First Lady Mama Janet, leading the way by receiving the vaccination. I also want to thank His Highness the Kabaka, Ronald Mwenda Mutemi, together with Mama Nabakooba, upon being vaccinated. For those who still had any doubts, you should look up to our leaders for assurance. Of late, so many people have been calling upon government to suspend the curfew hours. However, we now know that suspension of the curfew is going to depend on how quickly we show up for vaccination. I therefore call upon all those in the categories defined by government to show up and get vaccinated.